Hey guys, welcome to this Adobe Photoshop tutorial brought to you by Mind Media Metrics. Today we are going to show you 2 quick ways you can use to reduce image size on Photoshop. Let's go to Image in the top menu bar and select Image Size. Change the width and height to desired size. Change the resolution to 72 pixels if it's not already set to that value. Select Bicube Up Sharper or Bicube Up Smoother in the resampling options to choose how the image is resampled. Click OK to apply the changes. Save the image with a new name to preserve the original. Here you can see a huge difference. You guys can see that the original file size was 8.46 MB and now it has been reduced to 0.99 MB. Let's move on to another easier and more effective method to reduce the size of an image in Photoshop by using the Save for Web feature. Click on File, Export. Then Save for Web Legacy. A dialog box will pop in. Here you can select the option 2 up to compare the images. Right-click on the image and select Fit in View. Now you'll be able to see the complete image. Here you can simply change the quality of the image by clicking on this drop-down. Or you can simply reduce the percentage at the bottom. According to the size and pixels of your image, you can select high, medium or low and then compare the file size on the bottom here. Now, let's select Save. Then, rename the file with a new name. Finally, we can go to our Files folder and can compare the file sizes. Here you can see that file size has been reduced without losing the quality of the image. Save for Web feature is designed for optimizing images for web use, and it allows you to balance image quality and file size. Be sure to preview the image after resizing to ensure that it meets your requirements. We'll see you again in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and keep creating.